Happy sunny Saturday, 25th of April, 11 a.m. from this spontaneous nudist beach spot on Lake Flaten. This is Ekudden, and I am out for another beach adventure with my Scott gravel bike, 8.5 kilometers exactly from my home and 21 minutes exactly. There is lots of sun, but also some clouds on the horizon as well. And in less than 8 hours I have a flight to catch to another destination. So I'm going somewhere south, and you will see shortly where am I heading to. But I also wanted to make an episode today, as I have an evening flight today, and wanted to come to one of my happy places here in Stockholm. And yeah, 10 degrees Celsius in the air, and I already put my thermometer for quite a few minutes in the water, and it is 10 degrees Celsius also in the Lake Flaten. And you know that we are now continuing the Sweden beach adventures, but it will be a pause now for a week. And yeah, today the forecast said it's gonna be rainy and cloudy, but there is quite a good portion also of sun as well. And yeah, and I was waiting for a few minutes to get a bit more sun exposure, but it seems that not gonna happen for a longer period, so let's just go with the flow and go in for a swim in Lake Flaten here today at this spontaneous nudist beach spot Ekudden. Let's roll, folks. And here it was very windy when I was coming here, but here you can basically just sunbathe with a swimsuit on, because under the sun it's a lot warmer than the actual 10 degrees in the air. And it seems that the entrance has become more and more slippery here, so we need to find a nice way into the water while I show you these beautiful magical spots. Oh yes, it seems that the vegetation, it's growing more and more, which means we're gonna have here soon lots of lake shells in the lake, and so on and so forth. Okay, I have also a bit of a sore throat, so I really hope it goes away and it doesn't evolve into something bigger. So I really hope that this ice dip will cure it. So yeah, we continue with the beach adventures, and let's then go. Oh, amazing, brilliant. Beautiful, beautiful nature here at Ekudden Flaten. And quite deep here where I am actually. Okay, all right, let's have a 360 before we wrap up the beach adventure for today. Cool, so that is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and let's see where I'm gonna end up in the world next. But greetings from Flaten Ekudden. This is one of my favorite beach spots here in Stockholm, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris. Yeah.